the Saucy Chef. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel.
Saucy in the kitchen, yeah, it's going down. Making mouth water, saucy talk of the town. I know you're hungry, can't fight it, you will lose your breath. Quickie meals for your pleasure, here's another chef. Subscribe to the channel, Saucy, you be boss. Without further ado, I'm introducing Saucy. Saucy in the kitchen, yeah, it's going down. Making mouth water, saucy talk of the town. I know you're hungry, can't fight it, you will lose your breath. Quickie meals for your pleasure, here's another chef. Subscribe to the channel, Saucy, you be bossy. Without further ado, I'm introducing Saucy.
NANATHESAUCYCHEF. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is NANATHESAUCYCHEF, and today we're going to be making an easy no-bake strawberry cheesecake. The ingredients that we're going to need is 1 pre-made graham cracker pie crust, 2 packages of cream cheese, 1 can of strawberry pie filling, vanilla flavoring, and 1 can of sweetened condensed milk. Okay guys, next you want to get a bowl and add your 2 packages of cream cheese. Now your cream cheese you should set out for about an hour so it can be room temperature. You want your mixture to be pliable. So next I'm going to add my 1 can of sweetened condensed milk, the whole can, into the cream cheese. Okay. Now guys, we're going to use a hand mixer. You don't want to use a spoon or a whisk because it's going to be difficult to stir. So as you see, I have my hand mixer. I'm going to go ahead and be right back. You guys shouldn't, so you guys don't have to listen, I'm sorry, to all the noise. Okay guys, I'm back. Look how beautiful that looks. Next, we're going to go ahead and add our tablespoon of vanilla. And I'm going to go ahead and mix that up. Be right back. Okay guys, I'm finished blending our mixture. As you can see, it's nice and creamy. I blended it for 4 minutes. And next we're going to go ahead and get our graham cracker crust. And we're going to pour all our filling into it. Okay guys, I have our graham cracker crust. And now we're going to pour all our filling right in there. Look how thick it is. And it's also creamy. I'll be right back. Okay guys, make sure you get a spatula and get all your filling out of your bowl. Next, you want to flatten everything. Make sure it's nice and smooth. Let's go around it. Make sure everything is nice and even. Okay guys, our cheesecake is nice and smooth on top now. And what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead, put the lid on top of it. Then we're going to put it in the refrigerator for 1 hour to let it set. And we're going to add our beautiful strawberry filling on top. Okay guys, I'm back. It's been an hour. And here's our cheesecake. It's nicely set. Now we're going to go ahead and spoon onto the top our beautiful strawberries. Look at that. It's so pretty. I'm going to leave around the edges so you can see the cheesecake. Isn't that pretty, y'all? So I hope you guys really enjoy this quick and simple recipe for strawberry cheesecake. Look how pretty that is. I'll get some more strawberries on there. Leave just a little bit of the edges showing so you can see your cheesecake. Okay guys, there you have it. A quick and simple recipe for strawberry cheesecake. I hope you guys enjoy. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. I'll see you next time. This is Nana the Saucy Chef.